What's going on, y'all? It is Chris with pennies1000s.com doing another video on Paidviewpoint, a very easy survey site to use because you'll always have surveys available. You'll always be able to complete whatever they give you. You will always get money. I guarantee you that. So you see here on the home page, it says you have one survey available. I'm going to just click on it. And it's going to take me directly into the survey. And so here it is. You just answer it. Their surveys do not take a long time. Like they take, they'll probably give you like 10 to 12 questions. So you just basically, just answer them. You don't have to lie. There's no reason to lie, anything like that. So I think, yeah, I do all of these on my phone. So let me just complete this survey real quick. And then after I finish that, I will actually cash out. So hopefully this will be a quick one. All right, so you see here as I'm doing this survey, as it gets to the bottom, it says you have about 1 minute left. So that means it's going to take me no more than a minute to complete this survey. They are very accurate with that. There are some surveys that will have you saying, oh, you'll have a minute left and you're, on that survey for a little bit longer than that. But I would just go ahead and finish this, knowing that I'm almost there. So it might be just 1 or 2 more questions left. And there you have it. The survey is complete. I got 49 cents for that. Not a lot, but at the same time, that survey didn't take me, more than 2 minutes. So just that easy. On this site, you have to, well, you don't have to, but you want to get your trait score up to about 10,000. That's the highest you can go. And that is going to guarantee that you get surveys sent to you every day, multiple surveys, not just one. I mean, I'm talking like 4 to 5, very minimum. You just have to come through and check out, throughout the day. It will just show you, like you saw at the beginning of this video, you have how many surveys available, whatever the case may be, and you just go through and take it. And I think every time you take a survey, your trait score goes up 1,000 points. So, really just 10 surveys in, you already got the maximum. So right there, now I have $7.88. I'm going to cash out. I'm going to go to the money sign here. On this site, you need a minimum of $5 in order to cash out. So, not a lot. Here's the options they have as far as cashing out. I always go with the PayPal option. So I'm gonna click on PayPal, cash out now via PayPal. And just like that, money's been taken out. And you'll see here how much I've made year to date. Oh, my lifetime earnings, $445.11. So just that easy. It says here, please allow up to 72 hours for the funds to arrive in your PayPal account. They usually send it to you either the same day or the very next day. It doesn't take long to get your payment. So there you have it. Easy survey site to use, Paidviewpoint. I will leave the link to sign up in the description. It is completely free to use. Sign up today, and always remember, every penny counts. If you're interested in making even more money, I highly encourage you guys to visit my website, pennies1000s.com. That way you can see all the free websites and apps that I use to make money. And if you want to make some real money, I'm talking about $150 every single day. I can teach you the very easy steps that anybody can do. All you have to do is book a session with the link below.